Show your stuff.
You are good, Robert. You're a good listener.
Take a video of free time,
okay? Okay. I'll get you.
You're doing good. You're a good listener.
Okay.
I'm taking one. I took one that whole time. I'm still taking it.
Say, I want to take a video of you not hanging.
He says, take a video of free time.
Huh? Take it during free time? Oh,
That's what he said. Well, the last couple minutes, I think.
Have you run to the pool much this year?
No. Maybe twice, I think.